Here are 5 things I prepared financially for our trial stay in Manila. If you're new here, my name is Jane and I moved back from Malta to Manila for what was supposed to be a trial stay. 10 months later, andito pa din ako. Number 1, job or income options. My expenses won't stop pag nag-decide ako na umuwi ng Pilipinas for good, so I had to make sure na tuloy-tuloy ang income ko to support my family and lifestyle in Manila. Thankfully, remote work and freelancing are possible na in this day and age. Number 2, emergency fund. We always have money prepared para sa pasalubong, out of town, gala sa mall, so it only makes sense to also prepare for this. I prepared at least 6 months worth of savings, so in case magkaroon ng emergency, hindi ako kailangan mangutang. Number 3, declutter. Ito yung pinaka-time consuming kasi in those 5 years na nagstay ako sa abroad, ang dami kong naipon na gamit, pero hindi naman lahat practical dalhin pabalik sa Pilipinas. So we sold, donated, or gave away most of them. Yung mga sentimental or importanteng bagay lang yun nilagay namin sa balikbayan boxes. Number 4, cost of living research. Hindi kasi pwedeng bahala na si Batman. Pinag-aralan ko muna kung magkano ba yung gagastusin ko on a monthly basis, including groceries, rent, transportation, at saka bills. Kaya yung research na ginawa ko, this helped me set a realistic monthly budget before even landing to the Philippines. Number 5, local banking. I opened local bank accounts, set up online banking, and created a basic budget. Para paglapag ko sa Manila, it's still easier for me to track my spending, especially nung mga unang buwan pa lang na ang daming gastusin. Moving home isn't just an emotional decision, it's financial too. Follow for more real talk about Balikbayan life, money tips, and adjusting back to the Philippines. That's it for today. Until our next Balikbayan adventures.